Hello YouTube world, it's me again. It's been a long time since my last video and I'm so sorry about that. That's just me. When I do YouTube, I could never get a consistent schedule just because my world gets so crazy busy. In fact, work is really hectic lately. And as you can see, this is a last minute. I have to do this video. I'm still in my rubber ducky robe. The thing is, we are actually going on a trip. I just finished packing in an hour or so we have to leave, and I just get this beauty out of the box. So as you can see, this is another unboxing. And so what I did was I'm like, I just gotta get this done. And the truth is, I've had a few videos that I did and I just didn't have time to edit them, so I couldn't upload them. So just a heads up, this is gonna be a raw video, no editing. After I do this video, I'm just gonna upload whatever is recorded in this video, bloopers, everything. Okay, so again, as you can see, this is another unboxing video and I love this kind of videos. That's why this is all you can see on my channel. And I got this beauty a few days ago. I'm sorry, I sound like a broken record, but I didn't have time to unbox her because I was waiting to make this video before I unbox her, and then we will be away for a few days, so I have to get this out. I'm not decided if I'm gonna take her yet or not. So without further ado, let's get to it. I got this a few days ago from my local Chanel store from my lovely SA, and I was so surprised that I was able to get one. And in fact, she told me that they only got one and she gave it to me. Oh my god, I feel so special. Sorry if I sound so cringy, but anyways, here it is. And for the life of me, I couldn't recall if this is the 22A or the 22S. It's just that I haven't been keeping up with the Chanel releases lately for a few reasons. Price increases are just getting too crazy in the past few months or year that I don't think I will be making a lot of purchases anymore just because it's not practical anymore. I've had a few and I think I'm actually in purse piece right now, if there's such a thing. So, but this beauty, I couldn't resist. I don't have, well, I don't think I have this style yet or have this size yet. I do, but it's the, what do you call this? It's with a ball. So it's the adjustable with a ball, so you could adjust the height. So I'm actually, before I actually stayed away from this size because this is going to be too long on me. I'm only 5'1", but I learned there's a few hacks to shorten the strap, and like I said, I couldn't resist the colors, so I'm so excited. So let's get into it. So okay, let me make this a little quick so I don't bore you. And then okay, I would like to just get this out of the box. As you can see from the box, it's not a medium, but it's still a classic. This is the dust bag. Ooh, she did put it in the dust bag. All right, so it is the, here it is. It is the 22A. So this is the most coveted 22A iridescent green mini in rectangular. And honestly, the video and the pictures don't do her justice. She is so pretty in real life. I'm so excited that I was able to get my hands on her. Look at that. Sorry, sound like a kid, but oh my goodness, this is just so pretty. And as a lot of you know, Chanel released like a very, very coveted green, even now that they're selling like crazy in the pre-love market. It's the 18, I think 18S emerald green. I've seen pictures, and that's such a beautiful green, and this really is very, very close to that. So, and it, since it is iridescent, it changes color as lighting hits her. So, oh my goodness, look at that. And this is calf skin. So we know that calf skin is still caviar, it's just not green, and it feels sturdier than a lamb skin. I have another iridescent, but my other iridescent is in caviar, in green caviar, and this is my second iridescent in calf skin. I think I'm gonna stay away from iridescent lambskin because I know iridescents, when something happens to them, it's hard to restore or fix, even with even by the most like skilled leather people, like leather surgeons. Okay, isn't she so pretty? Oh my god, I'm so happy. So this is, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is the 22A iridescent green rectangular mini in calf skin, and this is very, very limited, and I am so happy to get my hands on her. I'm so happy. All right, guys, that's it, because we have to leave now. I have to get a shower and all that. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. And again, this is the beauty that I just got. And be safe out there. Enjoy your summer if you're in the US, and anywhere else in the world. Enjoy whatever season you are in right now. All right. Have a wonderful life. Enjoy and take care. Bye.